Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have an epic showdown between two treadmills that will get your heart racing both literally and figuratively.
On the left, we have the Redliro Under Desk Treadmill, and on the right, we have the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill. Get ready to strap on your sneakers because we're about to dive into the comparisons.
The Redliro boasts a quiet, high-power 2.25 HP motor, perfect for those early morning workouts when you don't want to disturb your neighbors. Meanwhile, the UMAY Treadmill takes it up a notch with an improved brushless motor, maxing out at a whopping 3.0 hydrogen phosphide. It's like having a cheetah under your feet.
Advantage goes to the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill for its extra horsepower.
The Redliro treadmill comes equipped with a strong shock absorb system that reduces noise while running.
But the UMAY Treadmill takes it to a whole new level, emitting only 40 to 65 decibels of noise.
That's quieter than a library during nap time.
We have to give this one to the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill for its peaceful workout experience.
The Redliro treadmill offers a 2-in-1 foldable design, allowing you to use it as a regular treadmill, or fold the handrail up and use it as an under-desk treadmill.
It's like having two treadmills in one. On the other hand, the UMAY Treadmill takes the cake with its hydraulic system that guarantees safe and hands-free unfolding. Plus, it has built-in transportation wheels for easy movement and storage.
The UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill wins this round for its convenience and innovative design. The Redliro treadmill offers 12 preset programs and manual modes, simulating different motion scenes to keep your workouts interesting. But the UMAY treadmill doesn't back down either, allowing you to customize the intensity with its 3 different manual incline positions.
It's like having a personal trainer right in your living room. We'll call this one a tie because both treadmills bring their A-game to the workout options. The Redliro treadmill comes in at $469, while the UMAY treadmill offers a slightly lower price of $369.
In terms of warranty, the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill gives you peace of mind with a 5-year warranty for the frame and a 1-year warranty for parts.
That's some serious confidence in their product.
The UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill wins this round for its budget-friendly price and impressive warranty. Both treadmills have their strengths, but ultimately it depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and helpful buying guides.
Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where smart shoppers like you make smarter choices.
See you next time.